not this morning. No rain and thunderstorms around. Now, for the first time this year in North Texas, there is a heat advisory out. Welcome back to summer, right? Young and Stevens County, you have a heat advisory out that starts this afternoon. It also includes tomorrow. It's part of a heat advisory that stretches out into Abilene and San Angelo. By the way, there's flood watches off to our east. So yes, it's true. We are between heat advisories and flood watches here in North Texas. Temperatures right now are in the 70s, mid 70s. It's muggy out there. Arlington is still sitting at 80 degrees. One of the reasons it's so humid out there. Yeah, when the air is really humid, it's difficult for the overnight temperatures to drop much. These are the highest dew points so far this year. Actually, it was in the afternoon yesterday. The dew points just sat in the mid 70s. Mid 70s, that's about as high as the dew points get, and it's so uncomfortable when you have dew points that high. Social distancing is kind of the thing there when you get that type of humidity. 95 is the forecasted high in Graham today, 95 in Breckenridge, but the feel-like temperatures will be about 105. We think tomorrow the heat will be on even worse in Graham and Breckenridge. The sun is literally going to be baking out the moisture in the soil, so that will slowly mediate these dew points over the next couple of days, but it will take a couple of days for that to happen. So be prepared for the heat. We're not talking about rain and thunderstorms. We're talking about heat indices around 100 plus when we cross 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Those feel like temperatures, like I said, will be very high out into our western counties where the heat advisory is. Now, not completely dry overall in North Texas, by the way. You can see the forecast models continue to bubble up a few afternoon thunderstorms in our eastern counties, and we'll include that chance. But the heavy rains will continue out to our east. We're going to put in that 10% chance from Corsicana up to Fannin. Otherwise, really, the story in the forecast is how hot it's going to be starting today. It gets even hotter as we go into the weekend. We were talking about a cold front, but that is not going to be now until Sunday night, and then we'll get some relief from these temperatures.